Whack me. Guys, I told you and I will always tell you, we are all going to make it no matter what happens. And yesterday, Bitcoin did an incredible move and it's almost about to do another incredible move. So watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's get started with the daily fear and greed index for the crypto market. So we can see here basically, what can we see? We moved up again. Finally. Now we are at 27, we are still at fear, but we are no longer at extreme fear. So we basically left that price level where there's blood on the street, where there's panic on the street. And right now, people are like becoming, oh, there could be potentially higher prices. So it could eventually make sense to invest in crypto. Still, there is fear. So please be cautious. But we're moving up. And you know, when is always a good point of time to buy Bitcoin and other altcoins? When we are in extreme fear or fear. So as long as we are in this area here, you can definitely buy for the long term in crypto. Once, and this could happen basically anytime, we move to the yellow or green area, you should be cautious. You should rather be selling instead of buying and accumulating. So last week we were at 30, right now we are at 27, basically way up again. Let's see if we manage to get over 30 and might get into the yellow or green area for the market sentiment. What happened to Bitcoin yesterday? You cannot believe, and this is exactly why we all love Bitcoin and crypto, because it just does the incredible thing what no one expects. You can see here yesterday, when I recorded the video, Bitcoin was dropping enormously. Why was that? It was because of the war getting started. It was because of like so much panic in the streets. Everyone was basically like expecting the crypto market to crash. You have to think about that. Like crypto is always ahead of the stock market because stock markets are not open for 24 hours, but crypto is. So that is why yesterday, when I recorded this video, actually Bitcoin went down more than 10% because it's ahead of the stock market and it's reacting directly to what's happening. I told in my private mentoring crypto channel, I told my members yesterday, in the crypto prices, there's always priced in what the market is expecting from political situation. So once a political situation actually happens, it is not as bad as when it's expected to happen. And that's why here we have now a final relief. This is really nice to see. We have now a final relief, even though there was in the Russian stock market one of the worst days in history. We could see that late in the evening yesterday, the Bitcoin just moved up another 10%, and basically all the losses from yesterday, they are gone. Oh my God, what a rally. This looks to me, to be honest, like you could see here, it was around this time, this looks pretty much like a short squeeze. So basically all the shorts got liquidated and the price nuked up to the other direction. You should be cautious. Like, you remember the video where I said which price levels are now important? Still, Bitcoin needs to break over $39,500, turn 40K into new support, and then we could say that Bitcoin might be moving and testing 46K as a new price level. So this could be interesting. You never know what's crypto going to do next. That showed the market yesterday, the crypto market, and that is why we love crypto, and that is why we actually love the fear and greed index, because it tells us, independent from the price, if it's a good time to buy or to sell right now. For the crypto news of the day, we don't have really like big news, especially you could say here this was like really pessimistic. Still could be happening, I have to admit. $1,700 is not still on the table for Ethereum, but right now it looks pretty good. And yes, so we need to see what the market does. Remember, be cautious. Always listen to the fear and greed index. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and look for the price levels of $39,500 and 40K.